Module 3 is all about one-to-one and inverse functions. Let us start with Lesson 1, one-to-one functions. The function is one-to-one if for any x1, x2 in the domain of f, then f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. That is, the same y value is never paired with two different x values. Let us consider the following sets as our examples. To start with, f of x, our x values here are 0, 1, and 2. As you can see, all of these x values are unique and non-repeating. Therefore, this set is a set of a function. Now looking at its y values, we have 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, these are also unique. Therefore, this function is one-to-one. Now, let us proceed to the next set, g of x. We have here the x values 0, 1, and 2. Since these are also unique, we can say that this set is also a set of a function. Now, as you can see in the y values, 1 was repeated twice, making this function not one-to-one. To understand the concept more clearly, let us have real-life examples. Example 1. The relation pairing an SSS member to his or her SSS number. To those who do not know, SSS stands for Social Security System. This is a company that provides insurance policies to its members. Now, the company actually assigned unique set of numbers to each of the member so that they could keep track of the policies that they have availed. With this information, we can say that no two members have the same policy number. Therefore, this type of relation is one-to-one. How about another real-life example? The relation pairing a real number to its square. To visualize this one, we can consider some real numbers. I have here -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. To get the square, you will simply multiply the given number to itself. With that, we will be arriving at the following results. As you can see, some of our squares are repeated, just like 4 and 1. Both -2 and 2 have the same square, and -1 and 1 have the same square. Therefore, this relation is not one-to-one. Another example here is the relation pairing an airport to its airport code. If you are not familiar with this, I will be providing you some of our airport codes here in the Philippines. MNL is for Ninoy Aquino International Airport, CEB is for Mactan Cebu International Airport, DVO is for Francisco Bangoy International Airport, CGY is for Laguindingan Airport in Cagayan de Oro City. In the Philippines and even in other countries, airport codes are actually unique. This is mainly for both passengers and airlines travel documentation. Therefore, this relation is obviously one-to-one. Our next and last example is the relation pairing a person to his or her citizenship. A person here could be a full Filipino or could also be Filipino-German individual. Another person here could be a full American citizen or any other citizenship. Therefore, the relation between a person and his or her citizenship is not one-to-one. That is all for today. Thank you and see you on our next video lesson.